Hello guys, today I'm going to explain how I caught this trade, this long trade from bottom to top. I'm going to post a video how I traded it live in the end of the video. So okay, let's get started. As usually we go into the 1 hour time frame and we look for SMTs. Hold on, let me put this on. Okay, so as you can see here, we had weekly SMT between yesterday and today, Thursday and Wednesday. As you can see, it didn't take out the low, but on the other asset in the index trade, it did take out the low. So that was my confluence. It was one of my main confluences why to long today. And also, as usual, we had SMT. Not SMT, sorry, precision swing point. As you can see here, we have this up close candle, but on ES and Dow Jones we had down close candle, which means it's precision swing point. It means this SMT is way powerful than any SMT because we have precision swing point within the SMT. Okay, then we go into the lower time frame, which is 50 minute. As you can see here, we also had as you can see, SMT between London and New York, 50 minute, which also is a confluence, very powerful confluence. If you have daily and weekly SMT, it's very powerful that the price will go the direction they're showing. So I think no, we didn't have any liquidity taken, we just had bullish. So yeah, let's go to the 50 minute. As you can see here, we had SMT. Like I said before, between London and New York. Okay, let's go into the lower time frames. On the lower time frames, what we can see. Okay, let me turn on the 90 minutes. As you can see here, we had another 5-minute SMT between London Q4 and New York Q2. So now we have 3 SMTs. It's the max. You also can get micro, but it doesn't really matter. It's 3 main ones, like daily, 90 minute and weekly. As you can see here, we had all 3 of them, which makes it very powerful. Plus we had precision swing point. Okay, now where do we enter? Let's go to the 50 minute. As you can see, we have no gaps. I mean this one, but I wouldn't really trust this one because it's an old one. So yeah, but we had 2 gaps. I mean 3. You could enter from here, or from here. So where did I enter? I entered on this gap. Why? Because we had this big gap, and I knew that the price will go touch this one because it wants to fill this big gap. So the price went exactly where I thought. My entry was, I think, yeah, my entry was 50%. My target was, let me see, I think I targeted this high because we have really not any, I mean we have this one, but it's not really necessary to target this high if we can target this high, which is way closer and more likely to be taken out. So what was my stop loss. My stop loss was below this candle, as you can see here. Why? Because I thought if the price will go down here, it will just drop down, and it's no point of leaving the stop loss here or here. So yeah, I put my stop loss here, I enter from here, my take profit was here, and I got how much? Almost 5 RR trade, which is pretty good on this day. Also today I tried to trade ES, but it didn't really work out. I didn't find any good entries, so I just traded micro E-mini Nasdaq instead. And yeah, let's see if we had any. Yeah, we had this liquidity, as you can see here. It was taken out, but I didn't want to target that because I already had high RR from this entry, so I thought there's no reason for me to target the highest high, because sometimes it gets taken out, or it just creates another SMT and it just drops down. So yeah, I didn't target this high, I targeted this high, which is lower and more probable that the price will go to here. As you can see, it went up clean. Let's go to 1 minute. Yeah, the price just pushed forward, no setbacks, no nothing. We just hit our gap, and the price just went slowly to the top, and we got our take profit hit. Yeah, so I traded this trade on my 3 funded accounts, 50k. I use my funded futures. It's a very good prop firm. I recommend for all of you. It's not pricey. I think it's like $70 per month, and you can pass it in 2 days if you risk, for example, 1%. I risk on my trades when I'm trying to get funded 1% always, because I want to pass them as fast as I can. But when I'm funded, I usually use my risk 0.25% or sometimes 0.5%. On this trade, I think, yeah, I used this one, 0.25%. So I made, let me count. I made 1%. Yeah, I made 1%, 25, which is around how much? Around $600. Yeah, something. Yeah, around $600. But I also have 3 accounts, so you measure it by. And today I made 1.8k. These accounts are fresh. I passed them like a month ago. I'm on my way to get my payout from the 3 accounts. Yeah, once I get my payout from these 3 accounts, I'm going to probably buy Top Step, more accounts, so I can scale. And yeah, it's okay guys. Thank you for watching, and now I'm